Assalamualaikum everyone. So recently I purchased some art supplies, so I thought let's share it with my audience. So here comes the haul, or what you call unboxing video about my art supplies. So firstly I got this Arabic calligraphy kit from Amazon, which costed me around 300. The kit consists of 5 bamboo columns, a calligraphy ink, a ink pot, and a small cotton ball. According to the price, the quality of these columns is very good. But the disappointing point is the calligraphy ink. The ink is very watery. I did not like the quality of the ink. But I would give 3.5 stars out of 5 according to the price. Now comes my dream parcel, guys. Okay, I was very excited for this parcel because I got the viral himi miya gouache paint. Okay, I got this from the official website, and to my surprise, while I was ordering, they were having a sale. So the original price of this set was 1500, but due to the sale and some offer was there at the time I was ordering, I got this kit at only 1000. So it was a very good purchase for me. So I was very excited for this parcel, guys. So I've made a short also. If you're willing to watch, you can watch on my channel. This kit consists of a painting tray, which is of a very good quality. You can mix any paint or any desirable color you want on this tray. Okay, next comes a palette card which says all the color names which are present in this set, and there are total 24 jelly cups in this set. Now comes the most satisfying part, the peeling off these jelly cups. Okay, peeling off was very satisfying, but some jelly cups was very hard to peel off. I struggled a lot for some jelly cups, but some of were very easy to peel also. If anyone want to buy these products, I can provide a link. Just comment down for the links, and I will provide the links in the description. Okay guys, this was about the video. If anybody want any type of video on any topic, any Arabic calligraphy and painting, you can comment down. Sure, I will make the video on that topic. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.